Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today on this epic quest of finding out what each other draw on the wall with a repair tool.
That's it. You have to guess what we draw on the wall with a repair tool. Azzy's going to draw it, and then I'm going to draw it, and we've got to kind of guess what we have drawn.
Right.
Are you ready for this, Azzy? This is one of the most intense competitions of the year.
We need quiet in here. Everybody quiet, 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 quiet. I don't know why, I just decided to choose me first.
Right, go.
Right.
What the fuck? No, right, move away, Azzy. Right. Is it a car? Because that is clearly not a lady with boobs.
Me is a
What the
lady
hell,
with
mate?
boobs.
That
Look, that's her nipples.
looks like an alien.
That's a smile. A wee nose, her eyes, and a beautiful brown
Your
and
nose
black
again.
coloured hair.
Do your nose again, mate.
There you go. Mate!
Yoink!
Whoa!
What?
Where
the-
did his body go? Mate! It was like my planet needs me and he just went yoink!
Oh my god, I seen
Oh.
him. That was insane. Nice shot.
There's a tank. That's not one. Stop moving, please. Oh, he stopped. No. Come on. Stop moving, tank. Oh! Yes! Yes! I climb on that tank! Yeah! Yes! Yes!
You're a tie.
I'm going to nose scope them.
Go scoop them right in the teeth.
Right in the nose. 360 nose scope. .360. No scope, baby! 360 no scoped! Get wrecked! Get wrecked! Teabag him! Teabag! Oh my god, it's a sad day. Oh my god, look at your tongue! Look at your tongue! Your tongue is there! Oh,
Oh,
that guy came back.
there he is.
There he is, I've got a Claymore! There's a bit there's a if he moves, he's fucked! Oh, he's fucked! Oh my god!
He's licking the grounds,
Rest in pieces, little man.
motherfucker.
Oh! Oh my god, Chai, you got absolutely wrecked!
My back is sore right now.